In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Class tracking lets you tag your income and expenses with meaningful labels, like departments, programs, campaigns, or locations, so you can slice your reports and see how each part of your business is performing. Think of classes as flexible categories that ride along with a transaction or even individual lines within a transaction. If you don't see the class field later on, a quick heads up. Class tracking may need to be turned on in your company settings. Once it's enabled, you'll be ready to follow along. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation and selecting Accounting. This takes you to the area where you manage your accounts and can review activity. From here, open the account register or go to the related list where your transaction lives, so you can choose the one you want to tag. Pick the specific transaction you want to work with. This could be a bank feed item you're categorizing, a bill, an expense, or even an invoice, depending on your workflow. With the transaction open, look for the class field. You can apply a class to the entire transaction, or, when the form allows, to individual lines for more granular tracking. If the class you want already exists, simply select it from the dropdown. If not, choose Add New to create a fresh class on the spot. In the class name field, type the name you want to use. For this example, enter Highlight. Choose a name that's short, clear, and consistent with your overall naming convention, something your team will instantly recognize. Good naming up front prevents duplicates and keeps reports clean. If your organization uses a hierarchy, like a main program with subprograms, be sure your naming reflects that structure in a way that will make sense on reports. After you've entered the name, click Save. You'll see your new class appear in the dropdown, and it will be selected for this transaction. Review the transaction to confirm the class is applied exactly where you want it, either at the header or line level, and then complete your usual save or add process for the transaction itself. From here on, you can reuse this class whenever you categorize similar activity. Consistency is key. Apply the same class to the same type of income and expense so your reports tell a clear story. Later, you'll be able to run class-based reports like a profit and loss by class to compare performance and make informed decisions. That's it. Click Accounting, pick your transaction, choose class, add new, name it, highlight, and save. You've set up class tracking and are ready for cleaner, more insightful reporting.